and it's going straight to our father, the Gani Adams. We have your history, we know much about you, we Nigerians. And I want to ask this question, sir. What happened to the foot soldiers of OPC? That's the first question. Yeah, the second one is that you spoke well. And I want to know, can't we compound the local knowledge with digital knowledge? I would like to have a answer from you. Thank you very much.
Local, digital.
Thank God we are not 201 here. Can Aare assure us that when this higher responsibility comes up, we will not find him wanting? Because the former governor of Lagos State, the commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as of this hour, is Aare's friend, and I know very well. But all this restructuring we are saying now, the president may ask them to send you out of Aso Rock when we mention it. So that is my worry. Are we just brainstorming for the sake of brainstorming, or will be committed to it? Thank you.
Aare, you have completed everything. I'm so happy the way you narrated the whole from top issue which you mentioned after the operation at the but that issue is giving us a problem of impunity. Because when you punish an offender, it serves as a deterrent to others. But in this country now, as we are talking today, we don't punish any offenders again. We don't punish any offender. Rather, you hear Boko Haram has been upgraded and amnesty and given. Some of them are absorbed in military. So what are we talking about? We need to. The way we ended that issue, some people were charged for, and that was the end of that scenario. The same thing, if these people are charged for, then it will serve as a deterrent. But when you decided to be petting them, then you have a long way to go.
Thank you.
The first question is that what happened to OPC? I can easily say Nigeria ni ìlú Ọlọ́run ò fẹ́ rọ́, ẹ̀yin ò fẹ́ òdodo. When you are working in an environment like what our Deputy Commissioner of Police have said now, when the issue of rule of law is not important, there is limits local security can do. Even some of these retired CP, they want to be details of their experience. There are some cases in their hand that if they want to have a power that be will come order from above, drop it when they are in service. Talking of just OPC as an organization, you can imagine what OPC passed through in 1999, 2000, 2001, 2003. By the time we realized that if we don't mellow down as an organization, they will tag the group as terrorists. It got to a state that the state have tagged us as enemy. Although some of our members take law into their hands. But there's some good job being done by our members in the group by then, that some agency of government are not happy with it. The power that be by then was not happy with it. So we realized that the way we are going, if we don't diversify our struggle, we'll be destroyed. So by then, we now diversify. that was the time we play more priority to cultural promotion. Our activities was 70% a struggle of OPC. 30% a struggle of OPC, 70% was cultural promotion. And we told our member, before you involve with any private security, go and inform the DPO or the area commander of that area, so that at the end of the day, you will not be the enemy of the police. So anything you see on OPC today is as a result of our approach from the beginning, that the power that we did not want, we have to mellow down and play along their tune for us to be in existence. And we are talking of OPC. We have about 11 different groups here. Agbekoya, two different vigilante groups. And about 80 or 90% of them migrated from OPC to form those groups. When they left OPC in that platform and formed their group, they met the same problem too. Okay, I'll give you another example. During the struggle of igboho on self-determination issues, there was a criminal in Ibarapa who coordinated kidnapping. And the name of that person is Wakili. It was a terror that by then, by those who said they were fighting self-determination, they can't arrest him. And I remain on my share because you didn't call me to involve. If you don't call me to involve in anything, I won't jump the gun at the end of it so that I don't blame myself. After 3 months, they said that Wakili disappeared. Is in this soil, Yoruba land? The media now come to me and say, Aare, you are the Aare of Yoruba land. What can you do about Wakili? I said, give me 3 weeks. I will arrest Wakili. If you go with it, you still give me just 3 weeks. Within 2 weeks, we arrest the second in command in Bora. 2 days to that 3 weeks, we capture Wakili. But I can tell you, I won't tell you there's nothing impossible on the issue of security, but we can try at the limit of 70 to 80%. If we have a maximum cooperation of the government. Chipola told me one thing. He said, if you want 3 things in life, late Chipola, he said the 3 things is capital G. I said, what is the 3 things? He said, 1 is God. He said the second one is government. The 3rd one is God. And I was sad. I said, 3 things. So even though you are a freedom fighter, if you don't apply strategy to your struggle, the government will destroy you. If they can't kill you, if they don't have a way to kill you, they will destroy your name. So you have to be very careful. A good example, assuming the way we started, the temple we started as OPC, if we continue from the way we operated in 2000 till now, you people will not have this problem once and for all. We continue being in the bondage of this country, security-wise, economy-wise. And the issue of having a bad image in international community. When you get to any part of entry, sorry, by the time you present your passport as a Nigerian passport, they will scrutinize you as if you want to apply for visa again. But a country like Tanzania, a country like Ghana, when they come, when they see them, they just stamp it and they let them go. How long will we continue with that kind of image as a citizen of this country? So we don't need to jump back. We have to stay here and resolve our issue once and for all.